I'm Annette. I'm from Arizona. I'm on the last day of visiting the 7 churches in Minor Asia. In the boat, in the ship, in the Gulan, I am so happy that I was able to experience this. Living Passages set up an amazing trip for me, along with like-minded believers. At every turn, it was planned. It was perfectly planned. We had an amazing time, and I'm so happy that I said yes. And the Lord has taken me on an adventure, and to meet the beautiful people that are on the trip, along with Rhonda and her crew, I didn't have to worry about a thing. It was just planned perfectly. I feel so blessed. I was thinking about when I left Patmos, when John said that he was the disciple that Jesus loved. And I just feel so loved by Jesus to be on this trip. And I can't say enough. 2.1 with Thanks. Oh, wait a minute. I'm very blessed. Thank you, Living Passages, for an amazing trip. I plan to do many, many more with you. So thank you so much.